Welcome back. Do you know most Wing Chun techniques looks good in class, but fail the moment someone hits back? After more than 50 years of real training and real situation, I can tell you this. Only one simple idea consistently work. Pak Sau with a proper punch. Not fancy, not fast hands. Let me show you why most people get it wrong. Today, I'm going to explain Pak Sau punch, not the version you see on YouTube demonstration, but a version that actually drops people off balance and stop forward pressure. If a Pak Sau has ever failed you, it's not because Wing Chun doesn't work. It's because you were taught the wrong purpose. I have trained Wing Chun for over 50 years. I learned in a time when there were no cameras, no trophies, no excuses. If something didn't work, you found out immediately. This is not theory. This is the one-hand method I still trust today. Why most Pak Sau fails? Most people use Pak Sau like a block. That's the mistake. Blocking is static. Before you try your change punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your change punch fail you? The links pinned below. Static. Static, you get hit. What Pak Sau really is Pak Sau is not a block. It is like a moment of disruption. You disrupt and you attack. Disrupt, attack. So when you disrupt your opponent attack, you get a clear line and you punch. So both happen together. If a punch arrives late, Pak Sau is useless. When someone attacks you, you Pak Sau, you break the structures. You interrupt the balance and then you get the center line. Let's start. So imagine this is your opponent. You need to step forward. So the first thing we want to learn is stepping forward. In your fighting stance, your left foot in front, right foot at the back, 60% of the weight behind, 40% of weight in front. Lift your front foot up slightly and step forward. And drag the back foot in. Ready? Let's practice that first. 1, come back. 2, now this is advanced. When you retreat, weight in the front, 60%, and the weight at the back is only 40%. So you can move back easier. So forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. So I want to attack my student. I want to attack my opponent with a Pak Sau punch. So I start with practice with Pak Sau first. So I move forward, Pak Sau 1, Pak Sau 2, Pak Sau 3, Pak Sau 4, Pak Sau 5. Now I'm going to go a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? This is more faster this time. 1, coming quickly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Now I'm ready to do Pak Sau and punch. Pak Sau and punch. Do it slowly. Pak Sau and punch. 2. Pak Sau and punch. 3. Pak Sau and punch. 4. Pak Sau and punch. 5. Now I'm going to a little bit faster. Pak Sau, punch. 1, 2, and look at your target. 3, 4, 5. This time I'm going to be faster. 1, boom. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how you practice every day. So let's summarize it. First, your footwork. Stand in fighting position. Left foot forward. Right foot behind. Left foot, forward foot, 40% weight. The back, 60%. So you can move forward easily. So step forward. When you move back, change your weight to the front foot, 60%, and the weight at the back, 40%. So you can move forward and backward. So we call attack, defend. Attack, defend. Attack, defend. Now, the first thing you need to do is learn Pak Sau. Pak Sau is not to hit your opponent, it's to disrupt his structure. That's it. So Pak Sau, 2, 3. And then once you're used to that, Pak Sau and punch. 2, 3, 4. And then when you get used to it, then you can go speed it up. 4, 5. Keep training that, and after 2 weeks, your Pak Sau will increase greatly. Before you trust your change punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your change punch fail you? The links pinned below. Don't forget, in real situations, you don't have time for combinations. You need one action that solves the problem immediately. Pak Sau punch does not rely on strength, speed, or size, only timing and structure. Wing Chun is simple, but simple is not easy. Most people collect techniques. Very few understand which ones actually matter. If you understand Pak Sau punch properly, you don't need many techniques. You need the right one. Train smart, train honest, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record one round, score yourself, and I will show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.